is running Android 2.2 right now,
Correct.
just until until Honeycomb is ready.
Yep.
What's the screen resolution?
So 1280 by 800, so it allows you to go 16 by 10, which means, for example, a web page like this, you don't have to worry about scrolling left and right. You can actually get a full web page on there, and then the resolution, as you expand it out too, is pretty clear. You can switch it over, landscape mode. We also have a rotational lock button that's over here that technically allows you to lock the rotation on the device itself. Ports that we've added on the bottom, so you've got a full USB port, HDMI port, as well as a mini USB port. So you can connect this device to a PC, use this as kind of a storage device, but you can connect the storage device to this device. So a hard drive, for example, and if you have content running off of there without a dock as well.
How much hard drive space will this have built in?
So we'll probably start off with a 16 and a 32 gig model on this device.
Okay, 16 to 32.
Yeah, and then also there's a SD card slot that's right up here on top. So that gives you like expandability up to 64 gig on there. So a couple of Toshiba kind of innovations that we've kind of carried over from the laptop side. The Resolution Plus, which we've been doing to kind of enhance the overall image. So this is kind of standard res image that's taken, and then this is kind of enhanced image that we've kind of used using the Toshiba algorithm that allows better sharpness, better contrast ratio, saturation as well within the device. So it enhances the image quality of anything that's kind of been played back on there. So look at skin tones as well. They're a lot more crisper, a lot more sharper that you get out of that device.
Does this have a dual core CPU?
Yeah, so it's a Tegra 2 processor.
Okay. What's so shipping late was Q2?
Q2 timeframe. Yeah.
Q2, how much?
Targeting right around where the iPad is today.
Well, it ranges. So you think base model
about $499? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And the other thing, we're also doing things like ambient light sensors on here. So it allows you to not only look at the different environments in terms of brightness, but also we're changing contrast ratios. That's something that nobody else is really doing, where we can actually do both LED brightness as well as the ambient light sensor. Now the other interesting fact on this device is this back, which is a rubberized back, allows you to grip it a lot more easier. Also, it comes off. So we have a replaceable battery on this device. So you don't have to worry about, you know, once your battery kind of gets down to its life, you can have to get rid of the device. We can actually replace the battery on this device on there. Now, the beauty of this coming off is it's user replaceable. So we're going to have an accessory pack of colors. So users can buy optional colors where they can go yellow, blue, green, so whatever colors they want on there to kind of replace this in and out.
Two cameras?
Two cameras, so 5 megapixel in the back, 2 megapixel up front, so you can kind of actually have the rear camera actually working right now. So, kind of have that kind of going on there. So it's still very basic. We just took our engineering sample, took Froyo, put it on here, you know, running this device right now.
Nice. What does it weigh? How heavy is it?
It's about 2 pounds, slightly under 2 pounds.
Nice. All right.